It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2019 F-150 XLT in this beautiful blue with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. You also have a spray-in liner as well as a tonneau cover, trailer tow hitch, this power sliding rear window, and it's a 5-liter V8 paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. And you also have the FX4 off-road package with skid plates. It is really easy to take this vehicle out on a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 5-liter V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. All-weather mats on the floor. You have your electronic parking brake, power pedals, your lighting, high mount lighting, and lighting controls. There's a grab handle and running board, and that just makes it easier to get in. On the face of the steering wheel is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and hands-free dialing. And we're going to start up the vehicle. You're going to see any important messages, the odometer reading, and the menu will also come up. Go, and we can just go in to the menu and go through display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and then back around again, and they all have sub menus. And then you've got a nice little cubby, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. And right now we're seeing the darkened display screen, and we can go into our settings. So let's change that up. So we're going to go into our display. We just slide through till we find what we want. And so we go in there, and for the brightness, it's on night. So we're going to change it to day. And I'll just take a second here. There you go. Now we can see a little better. So when we're in here, we have different options, and they have sub-menus, as you just saw. You've got your Bluetooth there, your Ford Pass Connect, and navigation, and so forth. Let's go into audio. And we're going to go in there into our sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. You also have navigation. The map will come up, and then you just choose your destination. And we can put the vehicle in reverse. We're going to see our backup camera view. So there's the center line, green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. It's right off the back bumper. Let's put us back into park, your volume and tuner. And then you have your fan here, heated seats for both driver and passenger, your front defrost, and you also have the AC with the max AC. And then off to the side is our 4x4 locking differential, and we also have our Pro Trailer backup. And then in the little cubby, we've got a couple of USB outlets, place to put things. Just press, it'll close right up. Automatic select shifter. We have bins and cup holders, and then our armrest opens up. Lots of room in there. We have a nice little tray. Take that out. You've got a 12-volt down below. You can power up and connect. We'll just close that up. You've got a 12-volt and a 110. Your glove compartment's locking underneath. Grab handle on the body. Auto dimming, rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you've got a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. And we're all set to go. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body color door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler, the FX4 off-road badging, which includes skid plates, and below your handle is where your backup camera is located, backup sensors on your bumper, 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And you also have a nice tonneau cover. We can open this up, and inside, spray and liner, tie downs in all 4 corners. And you also have a tailgate step, and that yellow button pulls out to give you a little handle for some stability getting in and out. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. Seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. You simply lift the seat with one hand, and that gives you more room on the floor with these nice all-weather mats. To bring the seat back down, just pull the tab. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. And this is the sport cloth, and you're seeing the tire tread design on there. Sun pockets on the back of the front seat. You've got a couple of cup holders, your 12 volts located there, USB, as well as a 110, and then you have a grab handle on the driver's side, lighting up top, and access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body color bumper, tonneau cover, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.